Now students, we start exercise 4.2. So in this exercise, we have to solve by factorization method. So now we start first question. So question number 1, first part is, firstly question, find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization method. So question is x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. First part is x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. So firstly we factorize, simply we called it splitting the middle term. So last understand, first term is 1 into 10, that will be 10 of sign minus. So 10 के ऐसे फैक्टर माइनस करने पे कितना लाना है 3. So simply 5 to the 10, 5 minus 2 will be 3. So we can solve it. 5 minus 2 means x square minus, in the place of 3 we can put 5 minus 2 into x minus 10 equals to 0. Now open the bracket, so x square minus 5 into x, that will be 5x, minus minus plus 2 into x, it will be 2x, minus 10 equals to 0. Okay, now second line you can miss also if you write directly, but you have to check the step. Here minus 3x middle term, here if we solve minus 5x plus 2x, that will be minus 3. It is same, so we can write directly third step after first, means this second step we can leave. Now the common in these two terms, x is common, so we can put x common. Now we are left x minus 5 plus 2 is common, so x minus 2 factor 10. Now x minus 5, whole the bracket is common. Now what is left? Here it is x, here it is plus 2. So x plus 2 equals to 0. Now we can put both the brackets 0, because if the product of two numbers is 0, for example x and y equals to 0, so maybe x will be 0, or maybe y equals to 0, or we can assume both is 0. So here we are assuming both the terms are 0. क्योंकि दो टर्म्स का अगर प्रोडक्ट है हो सकता है फर्स्ट 0 हो सकता है सेकंड 0, दोनों को 0 मानते हैं. सो x minus 5 equals to 0 and x plus 2 equals to 0. Now separate x, here x will be plus 5, minus 5 goes to RHS, so sign change. Now here again x equals to minus 2, so both are the answers, 5 and minus 2. Now we solve third part, second do yourself. So third part is, that is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0, plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. So firstly we have to multiply first and last term, that is root 2 and 5 root 2. So we multiply 5 root 2 into root 2. So 5 into root 2 and root 2 multiplied by, after multiplying on root 2 into root 2, that will be 2. So 5 to the 10, the factors of 2 on adding, because here it is plus 7. On adding we got 7. So same, these factors are here, 5 plus 2 will be 7. So now root 2 x square plus 7 के place पे रखना है 2 plus 5 है 5 plus 2, anyone you can take, into x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. Now open the bracket, so root 2 x square plus 2 into x, that is 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. Now here x is common and root 2 here it is and here it is 2. See, 2 equals to, we can write root 2 into root 2, means 2 is equals to root 2 square. So here also we can take root 2 common. So in both the terms root 2 we take common, or you can put one more term, root 2x square plus, you can take directly also. So I am writing this step also, 2 equals to root 2 into root 2 into x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. Now here root 2x, now it is common here. Here it is left x plus root 2x is common, so what is left? Root 2 plus here 5, only 5 is common, so here left x plus root 2 equals to 0. So x plus root 2 bracket is common, what is left in other bracket, that is root 2x and here 5. So root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Now we have to put both the brackets equals to 0. So put, that means x plus root 2 equals to 0 and root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Here separate x, so it will be minus root 2. Here it is separate, so root 2x equals to 5 goes to an RHS, that will be negative. Now x will be minus 5 upon root 2. We can rationalize it also. So I am rationalizing it, means multiply and divide by root 2. So x will be minus 5 root 2 upon root 2 into root 2, that is 2. So this is your answer. These two are the answers. Now this is part third complete. Now we move to, there are two more parts are left, fourth and fifth. One part I am solving fourth. Fifth part do yourself. So fourth part is 2x square minus x plus 8 equals to 0. Okay. Now here we have to take LCM. 8 is the LCM. So 8 to the 16 x square minus 8 into x, because we can put upon 1. So 8x and plus 1 equals to 0. This 8 goes to multiply, so it will be 0. 0 into 8, 0. Now what is that? 16x square minus 8x and plus 1 equals to 0 into 8, that will be 0. Now factorize, multiply first and last constant coefficient 16 and here it is 1. 16 into 16 on adding. Plus the cancel 8, so 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 plus 4 8. Here we can solve this by identity also, a minus b whole square. Because it is 4x whole square, it is 1 square minus 2 into 4x into 1, 2ab. So it will be a minus b whole square. But I am solving it by splitting the middle term. So it is 16x square minus 8x means 4 plus 4 into x plus 1 equals to 0. Now 16x square minus 4 into x minus plus minus 4 into x plus 1 will be 0. Now here what is common? 16 and 4, 4 is common, x is already common, so it is 4x common. What is that? 4 4 is 16, 1x is that, minus 1. Here minus sign is common, minus 1 we took common, so here 4x minus 1 equals to 0. Now this bracket whole common, that is 4x minus 1. What is left here? 4x and here minus 1, so it is 4x minus 1 equals to 0. Now we can put both the brackets 0, so 4x minus 1 equals to 0, and again second bracket is also same. So here 4x equals to 1, and means we can find if x 4 goes to divide, means x equals to 1 upon 4. That is your answer. Same here, both are same. 4x equals to 1, so x equals to 1 upon 4. Both the answers are same. Equal 0. Equal root same means d equals to 0 we found. Fifth part do yourself. Now we move to next question. Now question number 2. So second question is, solve the problems given in example 1. So in this question we have to solve example first. So come to example 1, that is on page number 71. So there are two parts, means we have to solve in question 2 also, two parts. So first part is, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. दो लोग हैं जिनके पास 45 मार्बल्स है टोटल. मीन्स अगर हम एक के पास x माने तो दूसरे के पास y टोटल कितना होगा 45. मीन्स अगर हम y को सेपरेट कर दें, सो इट इज 45 माइनस x. मीन्स अगर मैं फर्स्ट मान लिया x, तो सेकंड क्या होगा 45 माइनस x. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है तो वन वेरिएबल हम मोस्टली लेते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ वी अज्यूम let John has x marbles. Then Jivanti has how much? 45 minus x marbles. Now what is given in the second condition, that is both of them lost 5 marbles. दोनों ने 5 marbles खो दिए. And the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. और उसके बाद खोने के बाद total product is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Starting with marbles we find 10 and 5 marbles खोने के बाद. So after losing 5 marbles, दोनों ने 5 marbles खोए. मीन्स अगर हम जॉन के पास मार्बल देखें तो now x minus 5 और जीवंती के पास 45 minus x पहले से 0 5 हो गए. Total product is given 124. Simplify. We can also solve this or multiplying directly. So I am multiplying directly. X into 45, that is 45x. X into x, so it is minus x square. X into 5, so it is minus 5x. Minus 5 into 45, so minus 225. Minus minus plus 5 into x, so it is 5x. Minus minus plus 5 factor 25 equals to 124. Now here what is left? 45x minus 5x and plus 5x both are cancelled. Now we took here 0 in LHS. Now what is left to RHS? X square goes to RHS, so it will be plus 45x transfer to LHS again minus RHS में शिफ्ट हुआ, माइनस का हो गया 225 और 25. सो प्लस का 124 था पहले से, 225 माइनस का इधर आया तो प्लस और माइनस का हो जाएगा 25. तो 225 minus 25 will be 200 plus sign plus 124 means plus का 324. I am writing these terms in LHS. Means we get x square minus 45x plus 324 equals to 0. Now we have to factorize 324, on which we add, on adding we get 45. So factorization of 324, factors कर लेंगे 324 के 4 के और a few knows. So factors will be 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. आप सॉल्व कर लेंगे इसे. ना देखिए, अगर हम कितना लाना है प्लस करने पे 45, अगर हमने यहाँ ले लिया 12, now it left 27 plus 12, that is 39. Not coming. This 3 goes to here, so it is 36 and 9. Now we get 45. 36 plus 9 will be 45. So factors are this. Means x square minus 36x minus 9x. I am writing directly when it's plus 324 means 36 into 9. So I am writing here. Means common लेना थोड़ा easy होगा. अगर हम इसे common लिखें, ठीक है. Now what is common? X is common, so x minus 36 minus 9 is common, so here x minus 36. X minus 36, the bracket is common, so what is left? X minus 9 equals to 0, means x minus 36 equals to 0 and x minus 9 equals to 0. Now on separating, x will be, first time x equals to 36 and here x equals to 9. So अगर 36 को हम माने x, means जॉन के पास कितने हो जाएंगे 36 marbles. So if John has 36 marbles, then जीवंती के पास कितने होंगे, क्योंकि जीवंती के पास क्या था 45 minus x, और 45 minus 36 that is 9. जीवंती has 9 marbles. अब अगर ये x की वैल्यू 9 माने तो जॉन के पास कितने हो जाएंगे 9 marbles. And if John has John has 9 marbles, then जीवंती has, अब जीवंती के पास 45 minus 9 हो जाएगा, means 45 minus 9 will be 36. So that's 36 marbles. Means दोनों के पास 36 और 9 marbles हैं, किसी के पास कितने भी हो सकते हैं, ठीक है, ऐसा कोई कंडीशन नहीं है. Now we move to next part, that is second part. So second part I am solving here. See now, second part is a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. So number of toys we assume that number of toys produced in a day be x. X मानिए. Now cost of one toy will be simply cost of one toy is given, that is what is given here in the second line. Production of each toy was found to be, cost of production was found to be 55 minus the number of toys. So 55 minus the number of toys, that is we assume x. So 55 minus x. Now total cost will be found, total cost of toys, कितने toys थे x, तो total cost of x toys equals to x into 55 minus x, and total cost is given rupees 750, so we put here 750 total cost equals to x into 55, that is 55x minus x into x, that is x square. Now we transfer in LHS, इस सारी टर्म्स को LHS में शिफ्ट कर लेते हैं, so it will be x square minus 55x plus 750 equals to 0. Now we have to factorize it, so 750 कैसे फैक्टर प्लस करने पे कितना आना चाहिए 55. So 25 3 75, 25 and 30, so x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 equals to 0. So here x is common, now left x minus 30 minus 25 is common, so here left x minus 25, 3 is 75. Now the bracket is common, now what is left, x minus 25. So x minus 30 equals to 0, both will be 0, so x minus 30 equals to 0 and x minus 25 will be 0. Now from both we get x equals to 30 and x equals to 25. Same you can write number of toys produced in a day be 30 or 25. अगर twice 30 है तो cost हो जाएगी 55 minus 30 means 25, और अगर twice 25 है तो cost हो जाएगी 30 rupees. Okay, so now this is question second. Now we move to next question. So now question number 3. Third question is, if the sum of Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Now third question is sum is 27 means if we assume first number, two numbers are here, so we assume first number bx, then second number will be 27 minus x because sum is given 27. हम दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो x कैंसिल मींस 27 is left and product is given 182. So product of both numbers, simply we write product equals to x into 27 minus x and it is given 182. So here LHS will put here 182 equals to x into 27x minus x square. These terms shift to LHS, so it will be x square minus 27x plus 182 equals to 0. Now factors of 182 on adding we have to find 27 हमें लाना है, तो इसके लिए देखिए क्या 182 का फैक्टर करना है 2 into 7 into 13, 14 into 13 is 182. So same factors 14 plus 37, 13 that is 27. So x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equals to 0. X common and as 13 is common, so x minus 13 into 14 is 182, so it is left 14. Same here, x minus 14, the bracket is common, what is left? X minus 13. Now on putting both the values 0 here also, so we get x equals to 14 and x equals to 13, means if first number is 14 then second number will be 13 because 27 minus 14. If you want first number x 13 अगर हम लेते हैं तो first number 13 then second number will be 27 minus 13 is 14. Now move to next question, that is fourth. So fourth question is, I am solving here. Fourth question is find two consecutive positive integers sum of whose squares is 365. दो consecutive numbers हैं, so let two consecutive, अगर हम फर्स्ट नंबर x मान लें तो उसका कंसेक्यूटिव क्या होगा x प्लस 1, जैसे अगर 3 है 3 का नेक्स्ट क्या होगा 4, 4 का नेक्स्ट 5, हम बैक भी ले सकते हैं मींस माइनस में भी ले सकते हैं बट हम प्लस मोस्टली लेते हैं, ठीक है। लेट टू कंसेक्यूटिव पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, पॉजिटिव दिया हुआ है मींस अगर माइनस का आंसर आ रहा है तो उसे हम छोड़ देंगे, पॉजिटिव नंबर्स बी x एंड x प्लस 1, दोनों ने मान लिया x और x प्लस 1, आप x माइनस 1 भी ले सकते हो, ओके। व्हाट इज गिवन इन द कंडीशन सम ऑफ whose स्क्वायर्स इज 365, दोनों का स्क्वायर का सम है तो दोनों को स्क्वायर कर देंगे और प्लस कर देंगे इक्वल्स टू 365. नाउ x स्क्वायर प्लस a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर दैट इज a स्क्वायर, सो इट इज x स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर मींस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab 2 into x into 1 इक्वल्स टू 365. सो x स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर दैट इज 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1 and we can say 10 LHS would be minus 365 and it is 1 square means 1, so it is minus 364. 2 is common, so x square plus x minus 182 equals to 0. That means x square plus x minus 182 equals to 0. Again number is 182, here also 182 के फैक्टर माइनस करने पे 1 लाना है, यहाँ पे प्लस करने पे 27 लाना था 14 और 13 और माइनस करने पे भी इनको भी 1 ही आ रहा है क्योंकि 14 और 13 को अगर हम माइनस करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 1. 14 minus 13 is the factor, so x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182. After this solve yourself, okay. Now come to next question, that is fifth. So here the values are 14 and 13. 14 आएगा माइनस का और 13 आएगा प्लस का, minus 14 is not possible, plus 13 is possible, so first number is 13, second number will be 13 plus 1, so it is 14. Question number 5 is the altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. Base is 7 cm कम है altitude. तो अगर हमने कोई एक राइट ट्रायंगल ले लिया A B C, बेस हमने एज्यूम कर लिया x सेंटीमीटर, then altitude will be x minus 7 because it is given 7 cm less and the hypotenuse is given 13 cm. Now we have to find the altitude and base means other two sides other than hypotenuse. Hypotenuse के अलावा जो भी दोनों sides है वो हमें find करनी है. Simply we can use Pythagoras theorem. So in right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. So we can write AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Values of AB, that is x minus 7 whole square, plus BC, that is x square, equals to x square means 13 square. Now simplify x minus 7 whole square, so it is a minus b whole square, a square means x square, plus b square, that is 7 square, so it is 49. Minus 2ab, so 2 into x into 7, that is 14x, plus x square and equals to 169. Now x square and x square will be 2x square minus 14x plus 49, 169 comes to LHS, so it will be negative. Now 49 minus 169, that is minus 120. Now we can take 2 common. So 2 common, what is that? X square minus 7x minus 2 6 12, so 16. This goes to divide, so we get x square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0 upon 2 means 0. Now we have to factorize. 60 के factor minus करने पे 7 आना है, so 12 5 is 60. So x square minus 12x plus 7 5x minus 60. Now we can take common. X is common, x and 12, so here x minus 12 plus 5 is common, x minus 5 से divide करिए 60 को, so it is 12 equals to 0. Now x minus 12, the bracket is common. Here what is left? X plus 5. Now both the brackets equals to 0. X minus 12 equals to 0 and x plus 5 equals to 0. So x will be 12 and here x will be minus 5. Minus 5 is not possible because it is the length. So length can't be negative, so we can reject it. Means it is not possible. Now base is 12 centimeter. So therefore base equals to 12 centimeter and the altitude is x minus 7 means 12 minus 7, so it is 5 centimeter. Now one more question is left, do in homework. Now this exercise is completed.